Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an account at or above level 10 and the required 5,000 credits. Once done, make sure you own the event key item so drops are enabled. You should equip any skins or modifiers that increase drop chance before joining a match. Now enter Pressure's designated event mode and queue quickly. Doing this early in the rotation reduces competition and raises your odds of encountering the Scribble Jumpsuit. You now focus on the complex middle steps. Farm the exact event or map that spawns the Scribble Jumpsuit. While playing, prioritize objectives and bosses tied to high-tier loot tables because they trigger guaranteed drop rolls more often. Once you complete a run, immediately restart the instance to stack drop attempts. Make sure to team with 2 to 3 reliable players to clear faster. Faster clears equal more runs per hour, and therefore higher cumulative drop. You finish by claiming the outfit and verifying it equipped properly in your wardrobe. If you don't see the Scribble Jumpsuit after a confirmed drop, check inventory caps and the claim screen first. Sometimes items queue in a pending section. If drop rates seem unusually low, switch to a different server time window or wait for the next daily reset to reset RNG. If problems persist, take screenshots, note match ID, and contact support with timestamps for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.